luxury interior and thought, wow, this is stunning, only to walk into something similar and feel like you're in a museum? Well, you're not imagining it. That's one of the biggest frustration with luxury interior design today. The truth is, a lot of high-end spaces are created to impress on camera, but they are not actually designed for the living. All white furniture, velvet dining chairs, giant chandelier, open shelf that looks great on Pinterest, but in real life they lack dust and stresses. It's beautiful, yes, but try relaxing on a white velvet sofa with kids, pets, or a glass of red wine. The result: homes that feel cold, sterile, and high maintenance. They look expensive but don't feel alive. So, what's the solution? Let me give you 3 tips, okay, I use in my private with my private client to make luxury feels livable again. Layer personality with luxury. Add texture, warmth, light, and personal touches, not just showroom pieces. Luxury feels like you're not in a catalog. Choose practical beauty. Use performance fabric. Yes, it should look beautiful, but it needs to survive real time. Add color that breathes. Beige, white can feel cold. So add a little bit of lilac, warm tone spaces, soft mood. You don't need to choose between elegance and comfort. You deserve both. And if you're planning to renovate or style a luxury home, but you don't feel like you have something warm, you want something timeless, grab my free ebook, The Designer Secret: How to Plan a Luxe Looking Home Without the Stress or Guesswork. It's full of formula, pro tips, and make the process easy and way more fun. The link is below. Let's design a space that feels as good as it looks. I'm Karen Alexandre. Thank you for watching, okay? And grab your copy today.